How to transfer WhatsApp data from iPhone to Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can transfer WhatsApp data from iPhone to your Android. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your WhatsApp. Make sure you're logged in into your account. And after you're on your WhatsApp, what you can do is head over to settings on the bottom right corner. Then there you'll find an option called chats. Tap on chats and there you can see different options. The one that you want to choose is there you'll find an option that says move chats to Android. If you're transferring it to your iPhone, it works that as well. So tap on move chats to Android. So right here you can see move chats to Android, transfer your chat history and everything else here. So what you can do is tap on start. After you tap on start, this is starting to prepare the transfer and just make sure that your other device is with you as well. So as you can see, it's preparing. While this is preparing, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So as you can see right here, this is now starting to move the chats to Android. And yeah, you will need to make sure that your Android device and your iPhone is connected via the cable. After you connect it, you can then your iPhone will start sending the chats to your Android. And after that, whenever your Android device is done, it'll let you know when you can disconnect the cable. Then simply disconnect the cable and you're good to go. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.